Hey everyone, it's Brava Chef Erin here, and today I'm going to walk you through my custom cook template to cook any protein with any vegetable. This will walk you through exactly how to set up a custom cook to cook any protein you would like with any vegetable you would like. Today I'm specifically going to be cooking some bone-in skin-on chicken thighs and zucchini, since that's not a current combination. And note that this won't actually cook them together, but rather it will show you exactly how to cook your vegetables first, then cook the protein, then reheat the vegetables so that you can serve them warm all at the same time. Now note, I do have a template for serves 2 and a template for serves 4. Today I'm going to be walking you through the serves 4 template, but note that everything I'm saying in this video also applies to the serves 2 template. And once you get your custom cook created, you can save it on your Brava for later, or if you want to, you can share it with others in our community. So now I'm going to pull this custom cook up on our app here. So first I'm going to go into search, I'm going to custom cook, all, and search for template, and all of my templates will pop up if you search for that. But since this is my custom cook, I'm going to go into my profile, and there it is, protein plus vegetables serves 4. Now to get this on your Brava, all you're going to want to do is press the plus sign that would be here if you had not downloaded it yet, and this will download it on to your custom cooks on your Brava. You can also enter the key that is listed right here. So now to pull this up on my Brava, all I'm going to do is go into my custom cooks. And if you wanted to use the key that I showed you earlier, all you would do is press on this key right here and enter the code. And if you downloaded it, it would be at the very bottom of all of your custom cooks. But since this is my custom cook, it's going to be in my custom cooks here. So let me just pull this up really quick. Protein plus vegetable serves 4. There we go. And here we are. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to change this template so that you can cook anything you would like. The first thing you're going to do here is press these top 3 dots at the right, and you're going to make a copy of the custom cook because you're not going to be able to edit the custom cook itself. And then I'll change the name later, and I'll probably change it to chicken thighs plus zucchini, but you can change it to whatever title you would like. Okay, so the base of this template just cooks broccoli, then has a pause step, then cooks chicken breast, then another pause step, and then reheats the vegetables at the very end. Now, all I'm gonna do is adjust what I'm cooking here. So instead of broccoli, I'm gonna cook zucchini. Instead of chicken breasts, I'm gonna be cooking bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, but really you can change this to any vegetable and any protein that you want. It's the steps and the order of the steps that are important here. So I'm gonna go into broccoli, click edit, and all I'm gonna do is click our little trash icon and delete it. Now I'm gonna go to add a step, the very bottom here, and click Brava recipe, and I can click zucchini. So that last broccoli step cooked a full tray of broccoli, so now I'm gonna wanna cook a full tray of zucchini instead. So I think I'm gonna do our 1/4 inch rounds here. I'm gonna do 3 zones, go on our default, and then I'm gonna press the check mark up here. Now I'm gonna highlight zucchini, and I'm gonna move it up to where that broccoli used to be so that it's in the exact same order. Great, so now we have zucchini at the top, then our pause step. And now to get out of this editing mode, I'm just gonna click back here. And now I'm gonna go into our chicken breast step, and I'm gonna change this to the protein I would like to cook instead. And click in here, click edit. Now look here, I have 2 zones of chicken breast, and all I'm gonna wanna do is change this to 2 zones of whatever I have on hand. So in this case, it's going to be my bone-in skin-on chicken thigh. So click delete. Great. Now I'm going to click add a step. Brava recipe. Thigh. There we go. Chicken thighs, bone and skin on. Click that. I want to click 4 thighs. Then I'm going to click our check mark. And now, once again, I'm just going to move this up to where that chicken breast used to be. Great. So now, as you can see here, we're cooking our zucchini. Then we're pausing to take our zucchini out. Then we are putting our chicken thighs in. Then we are doing another pause step to take our chicken thighs out. And then we are going to quickly reheat the zucchini at the very end for 4 minutes, and just keep that at 4 minutes for whatever vegetable you're cooking. Next thing we're going to do is update our tray placement. So since we have zucchini first, Brava auto-populated our tray placement to top shelf metal tray because it just pulled from the zucchini recipe, so we don't have to change that. But what we do have to change is our pause step instructions, because I changed the chicken breast to chicken thighs, and those are done on different shelves. So all I'm going to do is go into the pause, click edit, and see here it says slide metal tray to top shelf. Since I know that the chicken thighs cook on the bottom shelf, I'm going to switch this to say bottom. And then I also know that the chicken thighs don't require a temp sensor. So I'm going to delete the steps that say temp sensor. And then I also know that I don't necessarily have to be in zones 1 and 2. I can be in zones 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to delete my temp sensor step because that's not required. And of course, this is going to change depending on what type of protein you're doing. All you have to do is look at the protein recipe and see if a temp sensor is required, and see what how many zones you would like to cook and what the shelf placement looks like there. Great. Renumber these. And that's it. Press the check mark to be done. Just another quick thing to note here, if you'd like to, you could go into metal tray and fill out the ingredients to say zucchini or whatever vegetable you're cooking, but I'm not going to do that for now, so I'm going to get out of here. And then I'm just going to press start and get these going. Open this up, add my zucchini into the top shelf here, and press the green button. Okay, it looks like our zucchini are done, so our instructions are right there. I'm gonna pull this zucchini out. Oh, look at that. Now you can, in fact, wipe down the tray, make sure it's cool, and add your chicken to it. But through the magic of TV, I already have my chicken thighs ready to go here. So here are our chicken thighs, and see we added our instructions here. So slide metal tray into the bottom shelf. So that's what we're gonna do. Close this guy up and press the green button. Chicken thighs are done. Pull these guys out. Oh, these look tasty. Now you could either plate these now and put the vegetables back on the tray and reheat them, but I have these already set up to go. So I'm just gonna place these right into the top shelf. Just gonna press the green button. And there we have it, our chicken thighs and zucchini custom cook using the custom cook template. Thanks, guys. Okay, and then the very last thing you're gonna wanna do here is open up your custom cook you're gonna click edit, and then you can change the title, and then you're gonna want to delete all these instructions above this dashed line here. And then below the dashed line, you can edit everything according to what protein and what vegetable you cooked. And then you're gonna save it, and then you can use it later or share it with others. Thanks.